Welcome to Darla's Wreaths and Teas. Come along as I show you how to create this beautiful solar lantern to place at a cemetery graveside. Hi there, and welcome back to Darla's Wreaths and Teas. And I'm going to be doing a solar lantern for a graveside. So I have a piece of foam block that I cut. And I was gluing it in there. However, in order to change it out, this one had a fall arrangement in it earlier. And in order to change it out, I can't glue the foam in there. So if it's one that you want to make permanent, you can glue like all four sides and then slide the styrofoam in. These are frosted greens. To give it that winter whimsy look. And I've got some of these sparkly red spray. And I've got the red eucalyptus type. And then I've got these Christmas pieces that I'll be sticking in as well. So when you're doing these, you're not going to have a whole lot of room because it is a smaller area. There's something in there. So I will do a few. That one's, there we go. There we go. We'll do a few of these in there. Do one towards the back. This item here I purchased off of Amazon because solar ones, they're not so easy to find. Let's see. One on the other side. But this way, on this one, I can interchange it. I can take this one out when Christmas is over, and then I can design it for another. The next holiday coming up, if so desired. when you get spray bundles like this, you can always separate them because they all come compact. That's what I'm trying to do here. See where I want to place it. You can probably right in the middle. To put it. You want it kind of down in. That's looking really pretty already. So it's just a matter of, and you can always put the stuff in first before you glue it. One, then you'll see how it's going to look, and two, because right now that's how we're looking, and two, then you'll know whether you want to change it, change what you put in, something doesn't look right to you. With these, I just wasn't sure where I wanted to put them. So that's exactly what I did. And now I'm going to go back and put it right back in the hole that my glue pad is a honey consistency. It's about midway. Look how pretty that's turning out already. So I've got some of these red berry bushes. They're the red berries with like little pine cones with sprinkled with a little bit of snow. So and I'm just placing them throughout. Well, actually, those two might do it for that. Put a couple more of these red vines in. To go in, further, and I'm caught. There we go. So I will cut this down just a little bit. When you cut your stems for your projects, always leave them a little bit long, because you can always cut more off. Not so easy if you cut it too short, because it's very difficult to glue it back on. Needed that little bit. Now, I'm going to see how this is going to work. Sometimes it is a trial and error. I'm wiring that together so it stays together. And I will cut the wire off. Let's see if it's going to work. No. Like I said, sometimes it's a trial and error. That did not do what I wanted it to do. So, So I had these leaves left over from a previous project. Okay, so what I've done is I've added some of the green sparkly bushes to it. And I had these clusters of pine cones that be fitting for the very bottom. So I'm just gluing, putting the hot glue on the stems there. And if you put something in that you don't like, you can always take it out as well. So even if there's glue on it, it will still come out. I've taken apart things because it just didn't like the way it was looking. So sometimes you just gotta so that is how we're looking so far. That is turning out so pretty. It really is. And a lot of times you can use kind of just mismatch leftover whatever you have. That turned out so pretty. Most of my supplies, probably 90% of my supplies, come from Nick's Seasonal Decor. And don't forget to like, share, and follow me. I will be doing more all weekend and all next week and into 2025 as well. I have a lot I have to get ready for. I will be doing more DIYs. If there's something you would like to see, by all means, let me know. I do all kinds of things, like I've said in my previous videos. Floral arrangements, grave blankets, wreaths, and t-shirts, tumblers, everything sublimation, everything to do with t-shirts. So let me know if there's something you're interested in doing and would like a DIY on it. I would be more than happy to do that. I'm going to be doing some bow tutorials as well, hopefully tomorrow. And so definitely like, share, and follow my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which I will be doing another video tomorrow. So hope you like it, enjoy, and definitely just be creative with it. Have a wonderful evening. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos.